Lasagna is one of the oldest pasta dishes on record, its name appearing in 14th century records from Italy and England, and it has been argued over since. National Lasagna Day is July 29. The dish originated in Naples, where wide, flat noodles layered with meat and cheese appear in medieval Italian records. The layering format evolved regionally over centuries, with Bologna eventually producing the version most Americans know. Italian immigrants brought lasagna to the United States in the late 19th century, and American adaptations added extra everything in a way that would make a Neapolitan uncomfortable. The Garfield association came later. Ricotta or bechamel? Ricotta is the American standard. Bechamel is what Bolognese traditionalists use. Both are correct, and both camps are wrong about the other, which is what makes this the most persistent debate in Italian-American cooking. Share this with whoever you would eat a pan of lasagna with tonight, and settle the cheese question in the comments.